Hi everyone, we're going to evaluate the derivative at the given point using the chain rule. This is part 1, and we're doing 2 problems in this video. The first thing I'm going to do is rewrite my s of t as t squared plus 2t plus 8 to the 1/2. And then I'm going to use my chain rule on this and take the derivative of s of t. And this is going to be 1/2 times t squared plus 2t plus 8 to the 1/2 minus 1, which is minus 2 over 2. Okay, and in simplifying this, I'm going to get 1 over, and then I have to multiply by the inner function's derivative, which is 2t plus 2. So this part's going to go in the numerator. This equals negative 1/2, so it's going to go in the denominator. So I'm going to write 2, and this is going to go in the denominator. This is going to be t squared plus 2t plus 8 to the 1/2, which is a square root. And then I still have this 1 times this. And if you want to make it look nicer, this would be 2t plus 2 over 2 times the square root of t squared plus 2t plus 8. Now what we want to do is evaluate the derivative at 2. Because my s is 2. Or my t is 2. Sorry about that. This should be a t there. Alright. It's like your x and y. So we're going to plug in 2. And when you plug in 2, you're going to get, let's see. Well, basically here, what I can do is factor out a 2, make this easier. And the 2's will cancel. So now we plug in 2, and you're going to get 3. And when you plug in 2 in the denominator, you're going to get 2 squared plus 4 plus 4. So that's going to be square root of 16, which is going to be 4. So that is the derivative at the point where x is 2. And the next one's very similar. I'm going to rewrite this as 3x cubed plus 4x to the 1/5. Then using the chain rule, take the derivative of y and this is going to be 1/5 minus 5/5. So that's going to end up being negative 4/5. That should be a 5. I was thinking 4/5. Then you take the derivative of the inner function, which is going to be 9x squared plus 4. And we're going to do the same thing. This is going to be 1/5. This equals negative 4/5. So we're going to put it in the denominator. We're going to put this in the numerator. And this is going to be 3x cubed plus 4x to the 4/5. And then when you plug in 2, we're going to evaluate it at 2. So y derivative at 2, that's going to end up being 1/2. You can check with your calculator. And that's all. The next set we're going to do involves simple rationals. So we'll be using the quotient rule. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.